Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, in this video we are going to learn about optimize option. We are going to learn what is optimize option on vidIQ. So before proceeding, let me give you the overview that with vidIQ we can find trending keywords, get video ideas, finding trending videos and create thumbnails and many more. So in this video we are going to we are going to explore what is optimize option and how it is going to affect your channel's ranking, you can say your uploaded videos. So let's go through it without wasting the time. Let's click on optimize option. You can see we are on the home page of vidIQ. Simply you have to type on the browser vidiq.com and simply enter, and you can open the website using your registered email id. Login, you can log in with the email id which is associated to YouTube channel, right? And also either you can use any id to explore it. That's not a big deal. So here, once you open the website of vidIQ, you can see this is the home page where you can see you can see my cursor. This is the home page, and below the home page you can see optimize option. Let's click on it and learn by practice, or you can say learn by activity. So here, yesterday, if you have gone through my previous tutorial about vidIQ thumbnail creation, like how to create thumbnails in a minute through vidIQ, and that is very much attractive. The thumbnail is very much attractive. You can see I have created so many thumbnails, in a minute, or you can say 2 minutes, using vidIQ feature. And you just need to give a topic and you will get a good, a very good quality of thumbnails. You can see these are my thumbnails which I have uploaded on my channel now, which I have uploaded on my videos. So these are all you can see on the screen. I have used all these thumbnails. So I used to create through vidIQ only. You can explore also. I found it so much effective, very much effective, you can say. And this is the very much, I can say, the important thing and very much interesting thing, which is the thumbnails are so attractive. You can see all these. So to use optimize option, because we are going to talk about optimize option and what is the use of optimize. So let's find us any of the video. I'll take previous one. Once you upload your videos, you just in a minute only after uploading your video, you just open vidIQ, go in optimize option and select that particular video you have uploaded. Okay, to check the SEO ranking of your keywords and tags and all, right? So I am taking this last one, WhatsApp map error. So I created thumbnail and I uploaded the video of fix Google Maps not opening in WhatsApp. Let's open it. Now you just click on, you can see optimize option is here. Now details, title and thumbnails. Thumbnail which I already have created through vidIQ and uploaded with my video, and titles and details I have to check. So let's click on details. So in details you can see I have, while uploading my videos, I given all these key titles and keywords and hashtags I used in my description of the video. So before going forward, let's make it in a standard way. So I will copy all of it. Let's copy it, and you just need to click on refine option or regenerate option. Let's click on refine option, and there are so many options. Make shorter. If you want to make it shorter, it will provide you in shorter way. Make longer, may add excitement, change tone. So let's click on, because I found this so much effective. You can explore all these options also to for better understanding. I am exploring this option, change tone, right? Make it professional, because you want a video in professional way, casual, witty, interesting, educational. So whatever, like in domain you are creating the video, you can choose. I'm choosing first one, professional. see, as per the title, it will automatically provide you the description. So see, you can see that is changed. Now the description I have given, that has been replaced by these words. You can see, I hope you are able to see, right? And also you can see 560 out of 5000. We can provide 5 in description. We can give 5000 keywords. So in this video I will demonstrate how to resolve the issue of Google Maps not opening in. So this is, you can see, right, written, you can read written thing here. So this is the refined version of optimize option, right? The description I given, it is replaced by these professional words. Let me read it. In this video I will demonstrate how to resolve the issue of Google Maps not showing in WhatsApp. This includes troubleshooting for Google Maps not working, the WhatsApp Google Maps link issue, and Google Maps not loading. So this is the overview, right? It is given so that audience can easily understand what exactly is this. So what if you remember, I copied my description which I already had put it in the video. So I'll paste it here also, because I want my keywords also here. Either you can refine the description, or you can put a refined version also and plus put your keywords also. So I'm putting both of them, like provided by vidIQ, and which I have put it here through other search also. So I'll keep it here. Let's save it. Either you just go below, and now you can see the very important thing which I just wanted to share with you: tags. Now whatever tags you have given in your video, now you can see the ranking, the SEO ranking of these keywords, how they are actively participating in your videos, right? You can see that Google Maps link not opening in app, 32 ranking. SEO ranking is 32, so low, right? The keyword I have given, it is so low. In out of 489, you can see I'm highlighting it, 480 out of 500 keywords, 489 keywords I have put it here. And now you can see out of 489, first, second, and other some more, like how Google Maps not opening, not working, how to open Google Maps from WhatsApp in iPhone. These are playing good role, like the SEO ranking is good. You can see in green one is high ranking, yellow is also considerable, right? You can see, and the pink one is very low. You can see the low one. So you can remove pink one, means low SEO ranking wale hashtags. You can say tags. You can remove pink tags keywords here, and you can replace with some other which is recommended by vidIQ. vidIQ is recommending you high ranking SEO keywords. Now you can click on plus in recommended keywords. You can see I clicked on plus. This is added to hashtag. You can see Google Maps problem. Now WhatsApp location, right? This is the ranking of these two keywords is 60. I will click on plus, and this will add it to tags option. So this is how you can add recommended hashtags provided by vidIQ. 59 not opening. Okay, in one go it provides 3 recommended hashtags, or you can say keywords. Now you just wait, it will provide more. Now you can see how to fix WhatsApp sharing, location sharing. Now the message is coming, you are over the character limit for tags. Now it means if out of 500, 496 keywords I have used. So let me remove again these 32 ranking wale hashtags. I have removed it. This is so long even also. Let's wait. Recommended. Let's click on it. Recommended keyword is there. I clicked on plus. I have to wait a little. Now again I got one more. Let's wait. WhatsApp link open. I click on plus in recommended keywords. Google Maps issue. optimize with YouTube. Obviously, let's authorize it. Now the keywords, tags we again replaced, and the description we replaced, all of them which we have done, all are saved here, right? Let's cross it. Now you will find the difference. So this is how it is going to, like, this is how you can use this optimize option. And using optimize option of vidIQ, you will see the difference of uploading your videos, without using optimize option, and optimizing the after using the optimize option of vidIQ. So I hope this video is going to help you out, and this video is going to help you out to rank your channel, to rank your videos, each and every videos. So friends, if you like my videos, if you like my content, then please do share your ideas and your feedback, that what else I can do for you. And also, if you have any suggestion, please write in the in comment box. And also, if you have any other query or problem, please do write. I'll solve your query or problem. Thank you for watching.